just wanted to spend a few minutes going over the requirements for completing your MTM encounters during your APPE year. In order to be eligible to obtain the APHA Certificate of Training, you do need to complete 5 MTM encounters over the course of this year. But keep in mind what the 5 core elements of MTM are. They are completing a comprehensive medication review, which does include talking to the patient. That could be face-to-face or over the phone, but you need to talk to the patient. It can't just be a review of the patient's medical record. When the patient leaves, you'll send them out with a personalized medication record and a medication action plan. Remember that those should both be written in the language that the patient can understand for them to utilize and carry with them. The medication action plan doesn't have what you're going to do and what the providers are going to do. It's really what goals and actions that patient are going to take. For example, if they're being discharged from the hospital, it might be to schedule an appointment with their primary care provider in a week. The other 2 elements then are intervention or referral. Intervention can be as simple as providing education to a patient, and then the final requirement is documentation or follow-up. Remember, if your site doesn't require a SOAP note for discharge counseling, you can still write a SOAP note in a Word document, have your preceptor review that, and use that as your 5th element for the MTM session. As with all assignments, don't wait until your last rotation. Be proactive. You never know. Maybe your community or AmCare site is your last rotation and you're banking on getting all of your MTMs done there. What if that preceptor cancels? So again, make sure that you're talking with each of your preceptors at the beginning of the rotation about your assignments. Let them know that this is a requirement, that you get 5 MTMs done during the course of the year, and let them know that you've completed the self-study and didactic portion of the APHA Certificate Training Program so that they know that you have the foundational knowledge to complete this skill. Look for creative ways to drum up some business. For example, if you're in an inpatient facility, ask if you can do discharge counseling. By adding a few components and sending the patient home with their personalized medication list and creating a sample SOAP note for yourself, you've completed an MTM encounter. Perhaps you're in a community rotation and you notice a patient coming in with late for refills. You can always invite them to come into an MTM session and meet with you one-on-one, even if it's something your site doesn't normally offer. The patient might really appreciate a free service like that. Remember, MTM doesn't have to be done face-to-face. You can do it over the telephone. Just plan ahead early. It can be a little bit more difficult to do it over the phone. When you submit your MTM encounter on eValue, it'll ask you to fill in the form, and then you will be sent to your preceptor. Your preceptor will review it and give you feedback like normal. And then there is a question at the bottom that asks them if they've completed the APHA certificate training themselves. All they have to do is mark yes or no, and then it comes to us, the Farm 767 faculty to evaluate.